Hi, you are back to Warthog Defense. I'm sad. Another Russian base is obliterated by a Ukrainian Himars strike, and Russian soldiers are just helplessly wandering through the remains. The lack of military discipline and rules is making these attacks possible.
This is the aftermath from an alleged Ukrainian Himars strike on a Russian military base in occupied Ukraine. The Russian soldier is amazed by the destruction. And a Russian truck is destroyed on the left bank by units of SBU-A. The 31st of January 2024. Russian-occupied Donetsk Oblast, a group of 6 Buryat T-62M Ober, 2022 and T-62 MV Ober, 2022, complete with anti-drone canopies and bulldozer blades or mine plows. An RP-377 IED jammer is also visible on the leftmost tank. These tanks likely belong to Russia's Buryat 5th Separate Guards Tank Brigade, 36th Combined Arms Army Eastern Military District. Ukrainian soldiers all stand in silence while listening to explosions in Avdiivka, most likely before a counterattack against the Russians in there. The Ukrainian main intelligence directorate confirmed that the Russians now have Starlink terminals at the front. Yes, cases of use of these devices by Russian occupiers have been recorded. This is beginning to become systemic, said the department's press representative Andriy Yusov in his comment to mass media. Earlier, the Ukrainian military reported on social networks about the presence of satellite terminals from Elon Musk's company and the Russian army. According to one of them, Starlink terminals with activated accounts are massively supplied to Russia through Dubai and operate in the occupied territories. Starlink stated that SpaceX does not do business of any kind with the Russian government or its military. It is impossible to officially import a Starlink terminal to Russia, and the satellite network does not work in the country, but Starlink definitely works in the occupied Ukrainian territories, including Crimea. This has been confirmed not only by the Ukrainian military, but also by Russian sellers of Starlink terminals. Journalists from the Astra Telegram channel found several online stores in Rune offering Starlink satellite terminals with activated accounts at a price of up to 300,000 rubles, with an internet subscription fee of $100 per month or more. Apparently, Starlink is sold in Russia specifically for the needs of the military. Thus, one of the Starlink stores also sells Chinese drones, and the other sells gadgets for tuning weapons. In one of the advertisements, it is stated in plain text that the terminals are being sold for the special military operation and new territories. We are aggressors, extremely evil, cruel people. Russian propagandist Mardan started telling the truth about Russians out of the blue. By the way, what do you really think about Russians now? What are the main common national traits you see?
Говорят, что мы агрессоры, и люди крайне злые, жестокие, и все такое прочее. Я всегда говорю, что да, вы правы, да, правы. Русские агрессоры, да, русские бывают жестокие, да, русские ничего не забывают, русские всегда возвращаются за своим, русские не испытывают чувства вины, русские не склонны к рефлексиям, русские занимаются культурной апроприацией и даже не понимают, что это такое. Ну, впрочем...
Ukraine will soon have an improved version of the Magura unmanned maritime drone. This is a multi-purpose drone that can be engaged in surveillance, reconnaissance, patrolling, search and rescue, mine action, maritime security, as well as combat missions. We can't show it, but there is indeed a boat serving as a certain platform and being prepared for new tasks with new surprises. Ukraine's Minister of Digital Transformation, Mikhailo Fedorov, said,
Майже кожного дня бачите новини про враження цілей.
І ми біля речі, яка потопила ракетний корабель російський за $70 мільйонів.
Більше російських кораблів, вони там тонуть, і це класно.
Дивіться просто, які вони здорові. Ми сидимо на фоні бобрів, одні з найвідоміших, напевно, наших БПЛА, тому що одні з перших полетіли до росіян.
Самі по собі нафтобази не вибухають. Тобто, Росія повинна розуміти, що ми там тільки почали.
This is a Moscow film movie. Russians do not hesitate to enroll people with Down syndrome for their propaganda videos. They already did it yesterday. Pitiful people.
Швидше, блядь. Інвалід юбаний, сука. Що, все?
Все вже.
Ага. Дай малому шмальнуть разок. Да.
Його бачу.
Нормально. Дай разочок.
Та ми закінчили вже стрільбу.
Та одну.
Одну.
Одну міну, хай пульне, блядь.
Одна залишилась.
Питав, блядь. Давай, мало, давай.
Обережно, блядь. Блядь, ти що?
Ёбаный в рот, Воха!
Отсюда, блядь.
Ебать, иди нахуй отсюда, долбоёб! Казал умеет, блядь! Пидорюга, иди нахуй, блядь! Ой, сука, обещалась, а хуйня ёбана снова! Блядь, такая! Иди нахуй, блядь! Сука такая, блядь! Ох и пидорюга, блядь! Иди, сука, нахуй, блядь! Чмо ёбаное, блядь!
And for the end, real Russian men liberating real Russian land.
Thank you for watching, I hope you liked this video. Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.